Я вас путаю, ребята, поэтому вы уж извините. Антон, вы для меня оба крутые на самом деле, поэтому как бы все равно вы очень-очень крутые ребята. Ну, в общем, это человек, который тоже давно качает и показывает крутой уровень в разных стилях, в разных направлениях, в том числе и в бипоинге, и в пабинге, и хип-хопе. В общем, человек, который качает много всего и реально крутой человек в танце. Встречайте.
Feels good. The time has come to enjoy myself. I've left my problems up on the shelf. The workday's over and I got it made. Like Johnny Kemp said, I just got paid and I'm ready to mingle. Young man, single and free, ready to get busy. Down to party and have a good time. All I need is a partner in crime. Call up the homies and hope they might say they're down to paint the town red tonight. Woo! Look in the closet and pull out the hat gear. Hook up the high top fade and I'm out of here. To a disco or a party of some kind. Hope that I would find myself a good time. Before I'm through and the night is done, man, I wanna have fun. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Out there on the floor. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, baby. That ain't gonna hurt nobody. Gonna give you If you're looking for more, step over the dance floor. Check your coat and your troubles at the door. 'Cause for sure you're gonna see a smile today. The problems of the world seem miles away. The only thing that matters is a good time that can be had with the help of a good run. The DJ's hype more than up to par. There goes a cutie at the bar, so I stroll on over and say hi. And tell her I'm the blue yellow air ride. And we should like to dance and whine. I'll do anything to see you smile. You see, my job is to take it high. After a couple of songs, I will cry. Having fun, well, I am done. The best is yet to come. Ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Аи!
Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Out there on the floor. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, baby. That ain't gonna hurt nobody. Gonna give
Еп. Круто, круто! Вот такой небольшой экскурс в историю хип-хопа, на самом деле это круто.